Dr. Cindy, and today I'm sharing one of my most favorite daily healing rituals. This is more than just flavored water. I talk about this all the time. It's a functional tonic that I use every morning, actually throughout the entire day, to support my gut, calm inflammation, especially in my joints, and it creates a body that the terrain doesn't welcome chronic illness, especially cancer. I call it my Gut Guardian Tonic. And it's full of therapeutic ingredients that work together to support digestive health, your immune system, and your energy from the inside out. So let me walk you through what I put in mine and why. First up is apple cider vinegar with mother. It's a staple in natural medicine for a good reason. It helps to balance stomach acid and improve digestion, especially if you tend to feel bloated after meals. It also provides natural probiotics that help support a healthy gut microbiome. And when your microbiome is thriving, your immune system is even more resilient, and that's a huge part of cancer prevention. Next, I'm gonna add L-glutamine. I use naked glutamine because it's clean, pure, and unflavored. The amino acid is like a fuel source for cells that line your gut wall. If you have leaky gut, food sensitivities, autoimmunity, or chronic inflammation, glutamine is one of the best tools that you can use to start repairing that gut lining. It helps restore integrity, reduce permeability, and stop toxins and pathogens from leaking into your bloodstream, where they can trigger immune dysfunction and inflammation. Then I'm gonna add magnesium citrate. I like the one from Pure Encapsulations. Magnesium is essential for over 300 enzyme reactions in the body, including muscle function, detoxification, and stress regulation. This form is highly absorbable and supports regular bowel movements, which is key if you're trying to detox daily and maintain healthy elimination. Magnesium also plays a role in sleep quality and nervous system balance, which are deeply connected to healing and cancer prevention. Next is a few drops of better stevia. This is a very clean sweetener with no fillers or artificial junk. I use it to make the tonic a little more enjoyable without spiking blood sugar or feeding insulin-related cancer pathways. Just a few drops are all that you need. So let's talk about the powerhouse ingredients. Ceylon Cinnamon. I have it in this glass bottle because it came in a bag, but this is Ceylon Cinnamon. It's very different from the typical cinnamon that you find in your grocery stores. Ceylon Cinnamon is known as the true cinnamon, and it's gentle on the liver, much richer in health benefits. Here's why I use it. It has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It improves blood sugar regulation and insulin sensitivity. It has also been studied for its ability to inhibit cancer cell growth, especially in colon and breast cancer models. Ceylon Cinnamon contains a compound which helps suppress pro-inflammatory pathways, and it may even trigger apoptosis or natural cell death in abnormal cells. Plus, it gives the tonic a warm, comforting flavor. And finally, I add a pinch of Baltic salt. This is a mineral rich in sea salt that provides trace elements like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. And it's essential for hydration, adrenal support, and enzyme activity. So when you're drinking a lot of water or sweating during your workouts, you need to replenish those electrolytes. And the minerals also help your digestive enzymes activate more efficiently. So to make it, I add a little bit of raw apple cider vinegar, maybe a tablespoon, a little bit more, I eyeball it. Also a little bit of magnesium and glutamine powder, and also a little dash of cinnamon. Okay, and we're gonna do a few drops of stevia. And there we go. And I have my Celtic salt right here in this container. And I'm just gonna do just a pinch of it. It's that simple, it's powerful, and it's one of my most favorite ways to start the day with intention. And again, I do drink this throughout the day. If you try it, tag me, let me know how it goes. Again, I know a lot of you don't like apple cider vinegar because it tastes too bitter, and you never want to shoot it. A lot of you want to shoot it, you will burn your throat. That is not what I suggest. Always dilute it. I put this in about 16 ounces of water, and don't forget to make this part of your health and daily priority and not a reaction to disease. Cheers to healing from the inside out.